The book class stores an immutable ISBN, a title, an author, availability status, a due date, and a reference to the borrowing member. The constructor initializes the book as available and sets the core details. The ISBN field is final, it never changes after creation. Simple getters expose book properties. ToString returns a clean description. All fields are accessible but modified only through controlled methods like borrow and return book. Borrow checks availability, marks the book as borrowed, records the member, and sets a due date. Return book resets all borrowing fields. Both enforce the invariant, only one borrower at a time. A member has an ID, a name, a list of currently borrowed books, and accrued fines. The ID is final. The constructor initializes an empty borrowing list and 0 fines. Borrow book delegates to book.borrow and updates the members list. Return book removes the book, calculates late fees if the due date has passed, and adds them to the member's fines. Pay fines reduces fines, never below 0. The library uses 3 maps, by ISBN for direct lookup, by member ID, and a tree map mapping lowercase title to a list of books for prefix search. Add book inserts into both ISBN and title maps. Remove book does the reverse. Search books does a substring match against title keys. Get available books iterates all books and filters by availability. These are classic read-only queries. The library manages members in a map. Borrow book validates both member and book, checks availability, then delegates to member.borrowbook. Return book does the opposite, triggering the late fee logic inside member. Iterates all members, shows their fines, and lists each borrowed book with its due date. A simple console status report, demonstrating how to use the data model. The main method creates a library, adds 4 books and 2 members, performs a search, borrows books, returns 1, simulating a late return, and prints the final status. It validates the whole system works together. The program runs successfully. The first member borrowed and returned a book, no late fee, the second still holds a book, and available books are listed correctly. You've built a complete library management system in pure Java. This project brings together object-oriented design, collections, date handling, and business logic. It demonstrates how to structure a small but realistic application, perfect for understanding how real software is organized.